Alright folks, now we're going to smash the Sony computer monitor I got from the garage sale for 50 cents. Oh yeah. Should be a good little smash ski on her. Gonna have some gold up in them end pieces like I've been saying. This one's gonna have a little bit more because it come with an extra wire ski. We're gonna get started on this beast. Oh yeah, Sony's going down folks in the old picker hood. Should get some copper, some aluminum, pretty much the same stuff as we've been getting out of every other computer monitor. Plan to smash every brand of computer monitor in the world folks, so stay tuned. Holy shit ski. We don't care how many dislikes we get. Oh yeah. You gotta watch out for the transformer so you don't get zapped skied. Holy shit ski. Capacitor folks, you say something wrong they'll get you. Just like your video or some shit ski. Holy shit. Yep. We'll get this one smashed up real quick ski, won't we? So I gotta do every other one. Yep, that's pretty much the end of her. Hold on. Smash it over there. Gotta bust my wire out. Wire stuff, folks. Friggin' wire. 9 more. Yep, that's pretty much done. I gotta separate all my metals. Gonna have some tin ski like usual. More aluminum. Wire, copper. Gonna have my gold like I said. So I'll separate all this stuff. Get back witches. Holy shit ski. Not as many aluminum heat sinks in this beast, but yep, show you what I get. Alright folks, pretty much what I'm gonna get out of that computer monitor ski. Got me some more wiring. Goes for $1 a pound in my town. These end prongs are gonna be gold plated, so we're gonna be saving these ends. Oh yeah, I'm gonna cut off all the ends. Gonna have some more tin ski. A little bit of aluminum there, some clean copper off the yoke, and some glass and plastic. Oh yeah, scrap of the Sony computer monitor folks, holy shit ski. A little bit more tin, $190 a ton where I'm at. Copper's $2.49 a pound, $2.49. Unclean's $1, 42 cents for the aluminum. I'm Scrapper Boy and I'm out, holy shit ski.